Vanakkam. Welcome viewers. This video will give details about the world's first stone axe of mankind discovered by the geologist Robert Bruce Foote at Pallavaram, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, in his own words. A remarkable form of Paleolith, which was long ago distinguished as the Madras type, is the axe form. It is made of quartzite, the last of a very coarse, gritty variety. In all of this type, which is not a very common one, the cutting edge is produced by the meeting of two flake surfaces, each produced by one blow and not by a number of small chippings, which never result in so sharp an edge. The oblique cutting edge is met with sufficiently often to justify describing it as a special subtype, the guillotine subtype. It would have made a very handy tool in trimming away charred surfaces if the old people went in for the manufacture of dugout canoes with the aid of fire, as was so largely done by many of the South Sea Islanders. The type of ancient artifact which was supposed to have preceded the Paleolithic age is now the cause of so much discussion, and such very strongly opposed opinions has not, to my knowledge, been as yet met with in India. I myself have certainly not yet found one, nor seen or heard of one found by anyone else. Possibly the type will yet to be found. Why this form of stone implement should have been produced by the pre-Paleolithic people of India, if such a people there was, is a puzzle hard to explain, for various kinds of siliceous stone nearly approaching flint in its peculiar and special form of feasibility ought to be found in different parts of the peninsula, to wit, the many forms of chert in the Kadapa and Kurnool systems, the jaspars of Dharwar system, the agates of the Deccan trap, and lastly the true flints found in the valley of Velar river in the northeastern part of Tiruchinappalli district. Flint is also procurable in Sindh and was there used by the Neolithic people to form knives of different sizes, many remarkably fine specimens of the course resulting from the manufacture of the flake knives having been found at Rohri on the Indus. This content was obtained from Madras Government Museum publication named The Foote Collection of Indian Prehistoric and Protohistoric Antiquities. Thanks for viewing. Keep waiting for more such videos. Nandri.